Hey Internet, I just wanted to show you a super awesome way to get $110 worth of Bitcoin for free. Yeah, that's right, $110 worth of Bitcoin for free. Here's what you're going to do step by step. Starting off, you're going to click the link below this video and you're going to come to Coinbase.com. Once you're in Coinbase.com, you're going to sign up for a profile. You just sign up for an account just like the millions of other things you have an account for. Create a safe, secure 18-digit password, write it down, put it in your wallet, put it in your purse, put it up your wherever, and hide that away. Make sure it's safe and secure. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to be on Coinbase. You're going to come down here to where it says Earn Crypto, and you're going to start taking these tests. You're going to take the DAI test. So start this course. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to take this test. You're going to watch a 2-minute video. You're going to earn $2. You're going to have to answer 4 questions. 2 minutes, $2. 2 minutes, $2. That's $6. Then right here, you're going to watch a 10-minute thing. You're going to take a 10-question test. You're going to get $14. Boom. Now you have $20. Then you're going to go back and you're going to go to EOS and you're going to start this course and you're going to make $2 here. You're going to make $2 here. You're going to make $2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and then you're going to tell 4 friends about this, and you're going to send 4 friends this link right here. Start inviting friends, and you're going to go, boom, share this link. You're going to just text this link to 20 of your friends. Say, guys, the first 4 get $10 of free EOS. And then you're going to show all of your friends either this video or you're going to show them exactly what I'm doing, and you're all going to make bank right now. So you do that, okay? Now you have, what do you have here? You have $50 in EOS. Then you're going to come here to where it says Stellar Lumens. You're going to push continue. You're going to watch another video, 2 minutes. Another video, 2 minutes, $2, $2, $2, $2, $2. Boom. And then you're going to come down here and you're going to invite more friends. I've already invited some people, but you're just going to click on this link and you're going to text this link out to your 30 best friends. You're going to say, hey, guys, only 4 of you can get this. It's $10 right now, free cryptocurrency. Boom, text the link. Now you have 40, what do you have? You've got more money here. You've got $30 more here. Okay, now you've got 50 in EOS, you've got 30 in XLM, or no, you would have 40 here. I already claimed some. So you'd have 40, 50, 20, you'd have $110. Well, I lied. So now you're going to have $120. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to trade, and now you're going to sell. You're going to sell your, let's start off with your DAI. Okay, you're going to sell your DAI, and you're going to have $20 worth. It won't let me type it because I don't have any. And you're going to deposit to US wallet, sell DAI. You're going to have $20 of USD money, okay? And then you're going to go back to trade, and you're going to go to sell, and you're going to sell EOS. You're going to have $50 worth of EOS. So you're going to take EOS right here. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. You're going to take EOS, and you're going to sell your $50. Boom, US wallet, sell EOS, okay? Don't even mess with the rest of the website yet. This is the steps you're going to take. Then you're going to come down, Stellar Lumens, you're going to do a trade again. Boom, sell. You're going to come down here, and you're going to go to Stellar Lumens, and you're going to sell your, how much you got? You got $20? You got 30, you're going to have $40 worth of this. So now you're going to have 40, you're going to have 90, you're going to have $110 that you just sold of cryptocurrency. When that happens, the link that you clicked on to get here is going to activate. And once you buy or sell $100 on Coinbase, you will then get a free $10. So now you're going to have $120. And then is what you're going to want to do. You're not going to want to cash it out. Don't cash it out because you came here for Bitcoin. You want free Bitcoin. Now you have $120. You're going to go trade and you're going to buy. And you're going to buy $120 worth of Bitcoin, and you're going to pay with your USD it'll let you pay with your your USD, your US dollars, right? So you'll have 120 US dollars here, and you'll just buy Bitcoin with that 120 US dollars. Okay, and today's prices, that will give you not a lot. You're not going to get a lot of Bitcoin, but here's the price of Bitcoin in 2010, 0.008 of a cent, and it went to 8 cents. Okay, and by October it was 12 cents. By June 8th of 2011, it was $31. All right, so if it goes on the same trajectory and you have $120 of Bitcoin and it goes up to 1 million, you're going to have $120,000. So my advice to you would be do exactly what I just said. You're going to get $120 free dollars of Bitcoin, okay? And you're just going to leave it here. You're going to close the account, tell all your friends about this method, have all of them watch this video, repeat exactly what I just showed you, and then you're going to have $120. And then you're going to log out, and you're not going to mess with Bitcoin for 10 years. You're not even going to look at it. You're not going to touch it. 10 years from now, you come back. And if you have $120,000, you can come back, find my YouTube, and you can maybe tip me. But that's it. And Bitcoin's the future of money. And this is guaranteed to work. You're going to get $120. And if you don't want to take my advice and you don't want to hold it in here and have $120,000 in 10 years, and you just want to cash out your $120,000 or your $120, you can do that too. It's very simple. You just cash it right off. So that's it. That's all you have to do, and you are set. So any questions, leave them in the comments below. But you want to get started by clicking the link and then doing all the quizzes here. Once you do the quizzes, you'll activate the $10. You'll activate the $10, and then I'll get $10. We'll all get $10, and boom, you will have $120. You might even have more because they could open it up to Zcash might open up for quizzes. BAT might open up for quizzes, and I'm pretty sure ZRX had quizzes at one point too, because I think I earned about $50 from them as well. So there's going to be more quizzes on here that you can open up and you can buy and then exchange for Bitcoin. So there you have it. An incredible tip for $120 that you can make right now, today. Get started. It'll take an hour maybe of your time, maybe an hour and a half. But for $120, potentially it could be $120,000 in 10 years. Boom. All right. Thanks.